Hello my people, welcome again to Glatory. On my today's video I will show you how I made this red chili sauce. This is another easy recipe that you can make on your own. All you needed is some cayenne pepper, onion, garlic, ginger. So now I'll be crushing my cayenne pepper. Okay, you don't need to blend this, you just need to crush it if you want to make this kind of sauce. So I'm using this crush blender for it. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. You can see the pepper is so crushed. And now I'll be blending the garlic, ginger, and onions. So I'm using whole onions for this and some garlic with some ginger. I'll blend everything also crushed into a crushed form. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to subscribe to my channel at Glatory and follow my page at Glatory Flavors. Here I added oil. So I'll be listing out the measurement of the ingredient that I use on the description. Please go there and check it out. So I'm adding all together to let it cook at the same time fry. So you need to keep cooking it, keep frying it until you see the oil will turn to red. Now I added chicken powder, and salt to taste. I will continue to stir it because if you don't do that, it will start getting burnt at the bottom. So you can see the color has changed. It's more red now. Yeah. This is very good. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can make your own chili sauce. So remember, if you see my video for the first time, please subscribe, like my video, comment, and please share. You can see my red chili sauce is ready. I'll be transferring it into this jar. You can put it on your airtight container and refrigerate it so that it doesn't mold up. It tastes so yummy. So I hope you get to try this. You can see the oil also acts as a preservative, so you have to add some oil so that it can preserve it more. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Thank you and bye.